Construct a triangle with sides 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm and then another triangle whose sides are 7 by 5 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. 7 by 5 is a number greater than 1, isn't it? For the previous question, the scale factor was a number less than 1 and we got a smaller triangle from the given triangle. Here the scale factor 7 by 5 is a number greater than 1. How we can identify the fraction as a number greater than 1? If the numerator is greater than the denominator, then we can conclude that it is greater than 1. Fraction is greater than 1 if the numerator is greater than the denominator. So here it is greater than 1. So what we have to do is we have to draw a triangle and we have to draw another triangle which is little more bigger than the given triangle. That is why the scale factor is given as 7 by 5. Here also 3 sides are given. 3 sides, if I draw a rough triangle, one side is given as 7 cm, second side is 6 cm and the third side 5 cm. We have to draw a triangle with the given measurement and we have to draw another triangle with scale factor 7 by 5. Since it is greater than 1, we will be getting a bigger triangle. Okay, so first we will draw the triangle. I am drawing the side base as 7 cm. Let that be the side AB. The name is not given. We can give any name. The second side given is 6 cm. So with the help of your compass, take 6 cm measurement. With B as center, draw an arc. Again, the third side is given as 5 cm. So again, in your compass, take 5 cm. With A as center, cut the arc. Join B with this intersecting point. That point will be the third vertex C. And again join C with the A, which will be the third side AC. Okay, then we have to draw a triangle with the scale factor 7 by 5. The first procedure is the same. We have to draw an angle BAX. Okay, and mark 7 points. How I take 7? In the scale factor 7 and 5, which is a greater number, 7, isn't it? So mark 7 points. As for the previous question, we will take some radius in your compass. You have to mark 7 points. 1, keeping this as center, the next point 2, keeping this as center, third point 4, 5, 6, and 7. So how I took 7 points? Take the bigger number of the scale factor. The ratios scale factor given as 7 by 5. Of the two numbers, 7 is greater. So I marked the 7 points. And I am naming it as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7. Again what to do is take the smaller of the scale factor. Smaller of the scale factor is 5, isn't it? Join the fifth point with the vertex B. If you are taking a smaller radius, A5 will be somewhere here in between the line. If you are taking a larger radius, A5 will be somewhere outside the line. Okay, that will depend according to the radius. No problem. Wherever the point lies, it will be correct. Just join the vertex B with the fifth point. Okay, again what do you have to do? So we have joined the fifth point with the vertex B. Again what you have to do is we have to draw the parallel line from the seventh point. We have to draw the parallel line from the seventh point. Seventh point is here and we have to draw a parallel line like this, isn't it? So what you have to do here is if the scale factor is bigger, we have to extend this side a little more, then only the parallel line meets. Okay, so if I want to draw a parallel line parallel to A5B through A7. So what I will do, with A5 as center, draw an arc. You can draw a semicircle itself. Okay, with the same radius, with A7 as center, draw another semicircle. Okay, again measure from this point to this point with your compass. Again mark, keeping this as center, don't change the point, keep this point as center, cut the semicircle. Again what you have to do, join A7 and the meeting point and extend it to meet the side. And this point, as it is nearer to B, let it mark as B dash, and A5B will be parallel to A7B dash. Okay. Again what we have to do? We have to draw a parallel line through B dash which is parallel to BC. So parallel line will be automatically like this, isn't it? So here also we have to extend the side AC. So remember, in the case when the scale factor is greater than 1, we have to extend two sides, then only we will be able to draw the parallel line. So same way draw the parallel line, keeping B as center, draw a semicircle. The radius you can choose, but with the same radius, keeping B dash as center, draw the semicircle. The next step is measure from this point with the help of your compass. Again with this point as center, cut. Okay. Again join B, C dash. Then can you say which is the triangle? Our triangle is A, C dash, B dash. Can you see we are getting a bigger triangle than the triangle ABC because the scale factor is bigger than 1.